Hey, my name is James Baker, and thanks for being here. This question comes from our Ask Me Anything. We have a private, well, it's a public Discord server where every week, once a week, I answer all the questions that you guys have. So if you have questions about international taxes, investments, business, marketing, sales, all that fun stuff, mostly, specifically U.S. income taxes and sales taxes. I encourage you to click the description below, join the Discord, join the Telegram, and come to our next call. If you just want to see the video and see the answer to this question, you have a great video coming. So just subscribe to this video and let's go straight to the question.
I am a partner of a multi-member LLC that has 12 members. A couple are U.S. members, but the majority are foreign. My question is about the K3. Each member has equal basis and shares equally in profits. I would allocate U.S. source strictly to the U.S. members and foreign source to the foreign members. How does this replace the K1? Thanks for doing this. That is a great question, a technical question. So the question is really like, how do I complete form K3, K2 and K3 and K1? For a multi-member LLC or partnership. So in this instance, you still file a K1. The K1 is a very important form. You're still going to file the K1 and apportion the profit and loss to the partners as you would normally. What's different is now you have the K2 and the K3 in order to determine the sourcing of the activities. So it doesn't matter where the partner's from, it matters how you source the activities. So I did pin my video, thanks Danny. So yeah, pin video, spotlight for everyone. Yeah, I'm spotlighting. I hope that's the right way to do it. So the answer is you still have to file the form K1 and you still have to file the regular 1065, but the K2 and the K3 are sourced based on the activities of partnership. So if you and there's 5 different categories. Let's actually look. Let me share my screen. Let's pull this up and look at it because that's a great form. How to file form K2 and K3. Form K2 and K3 and K2 are kind of the same form. Form K3, and I've done a number of them this year, and I love to talk about this stuff. Tax form. So K2 and K3. And I think my video should be bigger than this, whatever. Let's open it up, the K3. And that's K2, that's K3, and here we have K2. There's a different K2 for 1120S. So generally, the first parts aren't going to apply. Generally, hold on, give me 1 second. Hey, Dwayne, thanks for coming back. Pin. I'll pin myself. I don't know if I pinned the spotlight. Sorry, Danny. He's my video guy. So generally, we're doing a K2. We have to see what parts apply. Foreign tax credit limitation won't apply. You're not paying foreign taxes. And most of the form is about foreign taxes. If the U.S. partnership isn't paying foreign taxes, you don't really have to fill these out. I haven't had to fill them out yet because it's not the kind of clients I work with generally. They have foreign companies to pay the foreign taxes and the U.S. partnerships don't. The most commonly filed portions are Part 10 and 11, distributions from foreign corps, all of this stuff. There's a lot of nuances, but most foreign-owned multi-member LLCs are going to be filing Part 10. Foreign partner characters and source of income deduction. How I understand it is the partnership has to determine this activity, whether it's effectively connected income or not effectively connected income. So this would be if you have a store in the U.S., it's effectively connected income, and then you have to determine if you're selling to Americans or to foreign people. So if you sell shoes and you have a shoe store and it's in the U.S., you would call all of the U.S. source except for the orders that you ship to Ireland or outside the U.S., right? And then if it's not ECI, like a service business or an investment business, you have U.S. source income, which is FDAP income, which we want to avoid. Other U.S. source income, which would be like service income or sales to U.S.-based clients. Again, if you have a digital business or drop shipping business. And then the last one is foreign source. So that's sales to foreign clients located outside the country, because there's two concepts. There's the U.S. trade or business, and then there's the sourcing of the income. And the sourcing is based on where the service is being delivered, also blended with where the ultimate buyer is. So if it's a service, it's where the service is being performed. But if it's a product, it's where it's being delivered. So you can have non-ECI U.S. source income and not be subject to income taxes. So that's the most important portion. And this is the partner's determination. So I think it's the partnership determination is here. And then the partner determination was basically their percentage of it. If I understand correctly, again, this is a brand new form and I haven't done an extended amount of research. But I filed many returns electronically with this fact pattern. And then you complete X expenses. So we have the income on the first page, then we have the expenses on this page, and then all these other items. And then you complete section 3, which is going to be the allocation. And it's again of the assets, the liabilities, the gross income. You complete that. And that's really the part that almost all K2s have to be completed, because it applies to all of them. If you don't have pay foreign taxes, you don't have to complete the first 9 sections. And the K3 is a very similar concept. It's still part 10 and part 11. These are all about foreign taxes, foreign taxes, foreign taxes. Then we get to part 10, and it's the same. It's really the same computation, but one of the forms goes to the partner and one goes to the partnership. So I think the partnership files a K2, and the K3 is partner by partner basis. So each partner gets their own K3, but the partnership files a K2. So not every partner gets a K2, but every partner gets a K3. I hope that helps kind of clarify that question, because that's that was a really good question.
Hey there, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you want more of this stuff, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to interact with me personally and join our weekly free calls that we have on the Ask Me Anything on Thursdays generally, click the description below and join the Discord and join the Telegram. I look forward to interacting with you and helping you grow your business, be more successful, and make more money. Thanks for being here.